Well, after excess rainfall all through December, January is set to witness more rain and snowfall. Now, that is what the forecast of the IMD suggests. Now, according to the latest seasonal outlook, the weather department is expecting above normal rainfall in January for entire India, also for North India. Now, this is very crucial for the northern states because this is the time for the winter rainfall. Now, this winter rain is not just important to bring in those wintry conditions here, but also for the water situation in the Himalayan states. Remember last January, of all through December and the first few weeks of January, we were really waiting for snowfall in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and all the tourists were returning disappointed. Well, this year the scenario is entirely different. We had an early spell of snowfall in December and also during the last week of December, and now the weather department is saying that there will be two successive western disturbances which will impact North India in the first week of January, which will bring fresh spell of snowfall and rain in the plains of North India. Now, these western disturbances are basically extratropical storms which originate around the Mediterranean Sea and then travel towards India and bring rain and snow during the winter months. Now, these western disturbances are likely to impact the region around 4th to 7th January, and this is a time when the rainfall activity is also likely to pick up over Punjab, Haryana, including the national capital, and as well as Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The weather department is also expecting the number of cold wave days to be above normal in January this time. We already are witnessing really cold conditions here. The cold wave swept the entire region in December, and already we are seeing freezing winter conditions in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, where sub-zero temperatures are being recorded. Meanwhile, in the plains, the minimum temperatures are hovering around 4 to 9 degrees Celsius. According to the weather department, especially around 10th of January, from 10th to 16th of January, these minimum temperatures are likely to dip further, and the conditions are going to be extremely cold. This is not just North India, but the entire parts of the country are expected to witness above normal rainfall. Talking about last year, especially December, India recorded rainfall. The monthly rainfall was at least 74% above normal for the entire country. But what was most surprising was that the southern peninsular states recorded an excess rainfall, which was at least 184% above the long period average. Now, this was basically triggered by those successive low pressure systems which were forming in the Bay of Bengal. There was a cyclone as well, plus the northeast monsoon which remained very active all through December. So we have more rainy days ahead. We have a fresh spell of snowfall. So that means all the tourists who are rushing to these hill stations in J&K, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand are likely to feel the chill and see the snow-capped mountains and enjoy the winter season for what it is for North India. Also, it's also good news for our horticulturists who are really expecting the snowfall to pick up, which is very good for the crops as well as the fruit cultivation this time around. So we are waiting for the winter season to really hit its peak this January.